Mastering Inequalities. Algebraic Shortcuts for the GMAT and GRE. Hello there, future test takers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of algebra, particularly focusing on the topic of inequalities. But not just that, we'll also be exploring some of the best algebraic shortcuts to help you tackle these problems swiftly and confidently. Inequalities represent relationships between quantities. They tell us that one quantity is greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, another. The basic symbols we use are greater than, less than, is greater than or equal to, is less than or equal to. Example, if x greater than y, this means that the value of x is greater than the value of y. When working with inequalities, it's essential to understand how different operations affect the inequality's direction. 1. Adding or subtracting. When you add or subtract the same number from both sides, the inequality remains the same. Example, if x greater than y, then x plus 5 greater than y plus 5. 2. Multiplying or dividing. When you multiply or divide both sides by a positive number, the inequality remains unchanged. However, when you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, the inequality reverses. Example, if x greater than y in z is positive, then xz greater than yz. But, if z is negative, then xz less than yz. Here's where things get interesting. 1. Combining inequalities. If a greater than b and c greater than d, then a plus c greater than b plus d. 2. Multiplying inequalities. If 0 less than x less than y and z greater than 0, then 0 less than xz less than yz. 3. Avoiding multiplication by variables. If you're not sure whether a variable is positive or negative, avoid multiplying it with inequalities directly. Instead, consider factoring or other methods. 1. Reversing the inequality. Remember the rule about multiplying or dividing by negatives. It's a common mistake to forget to reverse the inequality. 2. Assuming values. Never assume that the variables in inequalities are only positive or only negative. Always consider both possibilities. 3. Overcomplicating. Sometimes, a simple rearrangement or logical deduction is all you need. Avoid long, complex calculations if a shortcut exists. And that wraps up our session on working with inequalities and their algebraic shortcuts for the GMAT and GRE. Remember, practice is the key. The more you familiarize yourself with these shortcuts, the quicker and more accurately you'll be able to solve these questions. Good luck, and we hope this video proves valuable in your test preparation journey.